Hi. I'm LONGLEGS MIGGIL. Stop it! Stop it! My face! Well, today I can't control them sometimes, they're nice. Well, oh, you gooser. This one's, Francis. And Joanne. Today, we're doing some nice, structures with F and J, I call them fidget. What? It's like funny. It's like, shh, don't do this, sweetheart. Well, excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yeah.
Stop.
Study.
What?
Do your workout.
Okay, ready? Got some beat music. My ass seems to laugh sometimes. Oh, my other hands are grabbing my ass. Well, there's this one called the Indian prayer dance. This is it right here. I'm not. I really hate feet. And this is called. Oh my God! It's coughing. Oh.
There's the smell.
It's okay. Okay. Oh God! There. Oh, I think I'm done. Excuse me. No.
Are you farting?
My butt talks to me sometimes. It's alright. Well,
no way. Is my face red?